I think you should, talking to myself, my very young self then, na you should save something for yourself. Save something for yourself. And I wish that, um, sana part ng high school ko or kahit college, I learn literacy, financial literacy. Kasi 'di ba we grow up like, oh kailangan ikaw mag-ipon, mag-ipon. O bakit nga ba mag-ipon? Paano nga ba mag-ipon ng tama?
So, at what age ka na yun ba yung 25 years old ka na na-expose sa financial literacy? Or,
Yeah, I guess, papunta yon doon. 5 years old, doon na siya
pero
it
saan mo
open doors.
na-discover na, okay, na-expose na ako sa mga financial
Oh, that's when I
liter
started working with the company I've mentioned kanina. And then I am the kind of person who learn by doing. So what I did is kasi trainer eh. So mahirap siya kung ituro kung hindi ko siya ramdam, kung inaral ko lang siya. So what I did is I put my own money. Ito na yung time na ako na yung medyo nakaluwag-luwag na by the way.